That's the letter M. It makes the sound. Map.
R. Monkey. Aww. It's the letter N. It makes the sound. Nose.
Oh. Nails.
Ah. Oh.
That's the letter O. It makes the sound.
O. D. O. G. Dog. Aww.
Pot. Oh.
Ah. O. On.
Whoa.
A dog on a pot.
A dog on a pot.
A dog on a pot.
Oh, man.
That's the letter P. It makes the P sound. P. Pig.
Penguin.
Oh.
That's the letter R. It makes the sound. G. Rug. Ah!
At. Rat. Oh. A rat on a rug.
A rat on a rug?
A rat on a rug! Oh. Oh, what is this thing?
That's the letter S. It makes the S sound.
Snake!
Snail! Oh.
Back across to grow twigs and shoots. Down the tree from the top to its roots. Back across to grow twigs and shoots.
That's the letter U. It makes the sound. Run!
Mud.
Run in the mud.
Run in the mud.
Run in the mud!
Oh, what's wrong?
Nothing's wrong. These are and w. Together, they can make the ow or the o sound, depending on the word.
G, r, o, grow.
O, crow.
Oh,
Grow the crow.
grow the crow.
Grow
the crow.
Ow. Ow.
Ow!
owl. Aha.
Oh. Owl. Brown.
Ah.
The owl is brown.
The owl is brown.
The owl is brown. Wow.
I know these. They make the sounds oh and yep. Together, they make the oi sound.
Oi. Toy.
Ooh. Oi. Joy.
Joy with a toy.
Joy with a toy.
Joy with a toy.